Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tint Dodge Charger windows. First, gather your essential tools like quality tint film, a squeegee, and a heat gun. Next, thoroughly clean your Dodge Charger windows with a good glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth to ensure no dust or debris remains. Finally, carefully measure each window precisely to cut your tint film to the exact size needed for a perfect professional fit. Once your windows are clean and the film is cut, spray the window generously with a slip solution. This allows you to easily position the film. Carefully apply the tint film to the wet window, starting from the top edge and working your way down. Use a squeegee to firmly remove all water and air bubbles, pushing them towards the edges for a smooth finish. After applying the film, carefully trim any excess with a sharp utility knife to achieve a clean, professional edge around the window frame. Next, use a heat gun to gently shrink and conform the film to any curved glass sections, ensuring a seamless fit. Remember, it's crucial to allow the window tint to cure for at least 48 hours before rolling down your windows to prevent peeling. Before you start, always check your local laws for legal tint percentages. Many areas allow 35% for front windows but vary for rear. To maintain your new tint, avoid harsh chemical cleaners. Instead, use mild soap and water with a soft cloth. This will keep your tint looking great for years. Also, for more deals and product links, including a great new e-reader, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.